Hello students, today I am going to show you how to draw a woodpecker using number 12. So let's begin. First we'll write the number 12 like this. Now we will increase this one like this. Now join this like this. Now increase this and join this. Now draw like this. Draw a beak here, a sharp long beak you have to draw here. Woodpeckers have a long sharp beak. Draw an eye here. Now draw the tail here. Now draw the bark of the tree. Like this, and draw a hole here. Like this you have to draw. So here your woodpecker is ready. Now we will fill the colors here. For the beak we will take orange color. For the head here we will take red here, and we will take it like this. We'll also draw a line like this here. Now we will take black or gray color here, and we will fill it like this. Now we will fill the color in the bark here, brown color. Fill the colors carefully. So here your woodpecker is ready. Now you all have to draw it in your drawing notebook.